Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. We are back with some amazing assignment again. This is sadhana worksheet. So let's quick begin and we'll just do it. Fill in the blanks using the help box. You have some help box are given and you need to fill it up. But provided you should know the lesson thoroughly, right? Now, people speak dash and dash language in the Greenland. Greenland is a completely, it is in the Europe there. Okay, it's the biggest island, you can say that. Though it is given as a Greenland, it's completely a island, right, covered with glaciers, mountains, and people, the native people are actually a Mongolians, like people say it's a Mongolian breed. They, long back they have went and they are just established, and people initially they used to were completely uncivilized. They used to make the houses with the ice bricks and igloos, but now the people because of technology, blessed with the technology, people are now with the way we are staying. Okay, the whole life is completely normal there, but not completely normal due to the blizzards and the winds and everything. So let's begin here. People speak Danish and Greenlandic. These are the two languages which the Greenland people speak there. Next one, a big and the broader boat used for hunting and transporting is called Yumek. This is a big boat which is used for hunting, okay, and you have a small boat that is called kayak, okay. Inuits are also called as Eskimos. The region around the poles are called as polar region, okay. This is very clear, polar region. The region around the poles are called as polar region. The settlements is restricted to the coastal areas in the Greenland, not in the internal part or not in the continental part. The coastal regions, you have some settlements in the Greenland. Coming to the next one, right, true and false. Life is very harsh and difficult in Greenland. That is true actually, right? Though the technology is improved, it is not so normal how it's normal to us. The ice sheets covers major part of island total land area. Almost 80% of the Greenland is covered with the ice only. Even so, this statement is also a true one. The vegetation of Greenland consists of rich evergreen forest. Is completely a false. You don't find evergreen forest in the Greenland. Okay, so the statement is false. Greenland has very rich density of population. Okay, Greenland has a very high density of population. It is completely a false statement. So you can see it's a false statement. Greenland has well-developed roadways? No. Though there are some roads are there, you have the international airports also there, but the roads are not completely well-developed. Even that statement is false. Coming to the next one, tick the correct answer. Greenland lies in the, you have northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere. It's in the northern hemisphere. Clear? When you look up your map, it is very clearly mentioned. The Eskimos hunts the, what they hunt? They hunt walrus or lion. Lion is you can't see lion there. So walrus is the right answer. Dash are the major occupation of the Greenland. Hunting. Hunting or farming, definitely is a hunting is the main occupation. Greenland is also known as dash. Land of snow, land of tomorrow. Okay. So Greenland is also known as land of snow or land of tomorrow. You can say it is a land of tomorrow, not land of snow. Okay, why it is called as land of tomorrow? Because the minerals which are more in Greenland slowly, maybe when it is exhausted in other continents, we make use of from this one. Okay, so it is called as land of tomorrow. Flowery plants can be seen. Can be seen during the summer. So let's see, only in the spring. After the spring, after the ice melts in the summer, you can see some vegetation in the spring. Okay, you have throughout the year, no, during the spring. Is it clear? Coming to the next. So, yeah, we are done with this. I hope this assignment is very clear for you. Thank you, children.